Meanwhile, TVJ Sports cricket analyst Christopher A. Gale says the decision to appoint Roston Chase as vice-captain of the West Indies Test team could be a move to ease the pressure off opening batsman Craig Brathwaite. Brathwaite was first named vice-captain of the Caribbean Test team in 2015, serving as a deputy to then-skipper Dinesh Ramdin. A recent poor run with the bat saw questions raised over his selection for the recent England series. Ahead of the England tour, Brathwaite failed to score a half-century in 5 consecutive series, a string of 22 innings. He, however, scored 2 half-centuries in his 6 innings in England, a sign of a return to form. This has led Gale to believe that the decision was strategic and could very much be an act to save the international career of the 27-year-old.
One, that his spot can become very fragile soon, and of course I think it's more so how them taking pressure off him, allowing him to focus on his batting. I think you look at Craig Brathwaite, he's still a guy who scored over 3,500 runs in 62 matches. So I think there's enough there for us to give him confidence for this series. As you saw, they didn't really pick, there wasn't a selection of a third opener. So it suggests that they still have a fair amount of confidence in him.
28-year-old Chase, who is a part-time off-spinner, has captained the West Indies A in a one-day series before and has played 35 test matches.